In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable hotel mode and unlock the standard settings menu on LG TV, non-smart TV. To do this, your television's input must be on the antenna. Once you do this, press and hold the settings or menu button for approximately 5 seconds or until a square appears in the upper left corner. Then with your remote control quickly enter 1105 and press the OK button. This will give you access to the hidden hotel option on the LG TV. Into this hidden menu, open the LG Hotel Mode setup. And with the left and right arrows on your remote select No on Hotel Mode operation. Then press OK and go back. Now your hotel mode is disabled and all your standard settings menu is unlocked. Just press the settings or menu button to access them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.